What's going on, y'all? About to send this link out, then we're going to go ahead and get started. About to send this link out, then we're going to go ahead and get started, y'all. It's been a great week and great month so far. We're about to break that down in a second. All right, bam. What's going on, y'all? Oh, let me go ahead and let the members know we just hit another TP. Give me 1 second. What's going on, y'all? Those just joining the stream, me and the members, we entered this last night during Tokyo session. We just hit TP5, the last candlestick. London session just started. We're about to go through all the pairs and see what we're going to be looking into jumping in. As far as news today, me and the members are going to be going live later today during New York for the USD news event. We got CPI at 8:30. And then at 10 a.m., we got Canadian news. And then at 1:01, we got USD news. Let me know if y'all can hear me good, too, while y'all jumping in. Those just joining the stream, make sure to hit that first link in the description. Join the free signal room, free Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last week and last month. Last week, we went 6-1, catching 5,275 pips. Last month, we went 55-4, catching 151,295. Give us a 93% win rate for the month. What's going on, Shawn? I see you in here. What's going on, y'all? I see y'all. Yeah, so we're 6-0, 7-0 for the week so far. 7-0 for the week so far. Way, my GAK, Mr. Pips. Hey, Mr. Pips, what's going on, Pharaoh? I see you in here. Yeah, so me and the members were currently in this trade. We entered this last night during Tokyo session. We're going to be looking for some possible GBP New Zealand and GBP AUD setups as well. Me and the members, we took this GN buy yesterday. We're going to break that down in a second. So if you hit that first link, this is what you're going to see. Y'all scroll up. You're going to see some student results from yesterday. A lot of members are eating this week. So make sure to check that out. But as far as how we did trade-wise, we went 3-0 yesterday. We caught 316 pips. We took a GN buy, caught 190 pips, which was this play right here, which was a nice 1-4, almost 1-5 risk reward. So that means if I risked $100, let's just round it to 1 to 5, so it's 4.7. So just to keep it simple, if I risked $100, I made almost $500. If I risked $1,000, almost made $5,000. So that's basically how risk reward works. And then we also took a GJ sell, caught 91 pips. We entered this, if I'm not mistaken, during the live stream yesterday. Let me see. Yeah, we entered this. No, we entered Euro New Zealand during the live. Me and the members, we entered GJ not last night, but Tokyo session the night before. Then we took this EN buy during the live stream yesterday. TP4 got hit, caught 35 pips. So out of the 316, 281 pips were strictly caught with the members in the advanced play signal room. You click right here, it's going to take you to the beginning of the day. All trades posted. You're going to have my personal entry, SL, the TPs, the time the trade was posted, how many people viewed or entered the trade, the reactions, TPs getting hit, screenshots of positions I'm in as well. So make sure to check that out. And then as far as, well, let's hold that thought because GN looks like it's trying to do something. So we're going to hold that thought. Yeah, I'm kind of liking this right here. Let's see what these other pairs. Yeah, so we got EN trying to break a level as well. Yeah, so we're going to be looking for GN buys. We're going to be looking for GA buys. I had this marked off. I didn't call this signal out, but I am in this trade. I'm going to add a second position. So right here, we're going to see if we can break this daily level right here that's being treated as a resistance. If we can break this level, which we see price last time, it hit it, rejected. If it can break above this level, we're going to look for another position. So we're going to be looking for possible GA buys, and then we're going to be looking for GN buys as well. Yeah, I'm kind of liking this. I'm gonna write this trade idea up. What's going on, Fahad? I see you in here. Did you get in that trade last night, Fahad? Those just joining the stream, we haven't entered this yet. This is just a trade idea. Go ahead and hit that first link in the description. Join the free signal room, free Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last week and last month. We're off to a great start this week as well. We're already 7-0 for the week, and it's only just the beginning of Wednesday. So, yeah, it would have been ideal to enter at the bottom of this candlestick when it began. So, we're going to see if it's going to retrace for us. If not, we're just going to let it do its thing. It is what it is. 2.770 because we're not going to chase any trades. That's not what we do here. Yes, this is a decent stop loss. $7.70. Yeah, cool. Yeah, so we're looking at possible GN buys, possible GA buys. Yeah, it's pumping up nicely. So yeah, we're gonna look for a possible buy position at this level. See, you can take out these highs to the left right here. As you can see, it's literally about to do a repeat of yesterday. This was yesterday. Hit this level, shot up, retraced down, and now it's already halfway from doing exactly what it did last time. So yeah, if we can break this level, we're going to wait for the next 15 and then possibly jump in on a buy position there. Looking at GJ, it did a drop as well, but me and the members were currently in EJ. We took a GJ sell yesterday. Yeah, but we're just chilling right now. Let's see what these indices are up to. Yeah, so we do got USD news today, so it's going to be definitely interesting to see how that pans out. NAS, we could possibly see, especially if it breaks this resistance level, the bullish momentum kick back into play. So we might be looking for buys, especially if price can break that level. But as far as the stream, we're just going to leave the indices alone. We're going to be just mainly looking at the currency pairs. We see GN's nice and bullish. We're going to just continue to jump into the buys. We took a nice buy yesterday. We're going to continue to try to jump in on that. We missed the initial entry right here, though, which is a little bit unfortunate. So we're going to see if it's going to retrace. Even though the way it looks, it might not retrace, but it is what it is because we're also looking at GA. Yeah, so GA just pierced this level. So we're going to wait for the next 15. If the next 15 can hold this as a support, then we're going to look for a buy. So yeah, we're just going to keep an eye on this pair right here. Those just joined the stream. We haven't entered this yet. Well, I am, but I'm talking about trade-wise, the second position. This is just a trade idea. Go ahead and hit that first link in the description. Join a free signal, free Telegram. We're about to pull it back up. We're just going to move this over to the right, and then we're going to pull this back up. So this is how we did on Monday. So Monday, we went 3-0. Took a GA buy 30 pips, an EJ sell 62 pips, and then a NAS sell. All TPs hit caught 10,400 pips. End of the day, 10,492 pips. You click right here, same thing. You're going to see the EJ signal. You're going to see the TPs getting hit. You're going to see the signal for NAS. We had a member the other day literally turned 5 to 60. Obviously, that's not really realistic. It was just one of those days. But as far as last week, if we scroll up, you scroll to the 9th, you're going to see how we did last week. Last Monday, we caught 4,030 pips. Tuesday, 130. Wednesday, 27. Thursday, 45. Then Friday, 1,025 pips. Ending the week with a total of 5,257 pips. 4,197 of those pips strictly with the members in the advanced play signal room. Ending the week 6-1, giving us an 86% win rate. You click right here, it's going to take you to Monday of last week, where you see we started off the week with a bang with this huge 130 pip GN sell. You're going to see the screenshots of the position right here and all that good stuff. You scroll up a little bit further, you're going to see how we did last month. All right, so last month we went 55-4 with a 93% win rate. Only took 4 losses last month. Caught a total of 151,295 pips. 136,267. Those picks strictly caught with the members in the advanced play signal room. End of the month 55 and 4. You click right here, it's going to take you to the beginning of the month. All wins, all losses are posted here, screenshots of positions, and all that good stuff. So I haven't posted the screenshots of last night's trades on my story. I'm actually about to do that right now. So y'all follow my Instagram, which you see on the bottom of y'all screen at playmaker_way. You should see some of yesterday's trades, but I'm about to post the trades from last night on there as well right now. If it's not there already, let me see if it's there. No, it's not. So let me add those there. So I'm going to add those right now. There's the EJ signal. Also, make sure to follow me on TikTok. I post daily on both pages. Some stuff I can't post on Instagram, so I post on TikTok, and vice versa. Some stuff I can't post on TikTok, so I post on Instagram. So this is a nice engulfing candle breaking this level right here. So we're going to wait for the next 15, but I am liking this for a buy. It was a little bit unfortunate we missed that GN entry, but me and the members, we already in some trades nice and blue, so I'm not crying or complaining too much about that. Speaking of EJ, let's see what EJ is doing right now. So that's retracing to the upside as well. I do got my stop loss and profit though, so I'm not tripping. I'm just scanning these pairs to see what all is going on. I think we're just going to be watching GA right now. That's going to be the game plan. So let me go ahead and post this disclaimer. Let me go ahead and post this disclaimer. All right, bam. All right, cool. Yes, I just about to got in. I entered and I woke up to my phone on the floor. I'll send you a screenshot. I'm growing that €6 account right now at 115 over 2 days. Hey, that's what's up. That's what's up. And it's possible. Literally everybody can do that. What's going on, Spark? I see you in here. So yeah, we're just gonna wait for the next 15. I am liking this right now though, but we're just gonna wait for the next 15, which we got about 2 minutes. All right, and I tallied up the quarter. I just gotta post it how we did last quarter. But if we look at how we did quarter one, let me see. I'm trying to make sure I don't pass it. Should be somewhere up here. Give me 1 second. Today's the first. That's the first. I'm trying to see where it's at. Okay, give me 1 second. Should be somewhere. It's in here somewhere. So y'all explore. Y'all be able to check it out. But as far as if we look at the month before, we went 46-5 with a 90% win rate. So we did better than the month before this month, well, last month. Because last month we ended with a 93% win rate and we went 55-4. So we won more trades and lost less trades at the same time and caught more pips. I'm trying to see how we where the last quarter is at because I have it here. I need to start pinning them, make it easier for myself and for people jumping in the signal room for the first time. But it's somewhere in here. But as we scroll, you can see just other past trades, daily recaps, weekly recaps, all that good stuff. So we got about 30 seconds to the next 15. But I am liking this for a buy. I'm just waiting for the next 15 to see how the retest and how the candlestick reacts. But I am looking for a buy setup on GA currently. Me and the members were currently in the EJ sell. Also caught a nice move on gold last night as well. Posted both those screenshots on my Instagram story, so make sure to check that out. I think I passed it. It is what it is, though. It is what it is. All right, cool. Yeah, I'm liking this right here. And then again, the reason why we're going, well, we'll break that down. It's like, okay, so that's not retesting. So we're going to wait for the retest. Because it's a little too high for an entry right now. So we're going to hold that thought. bought GBPJPY. I'm gonna write this trade idea up though. 280, 1.9280. Yeah, I was waiting for it to see if it was going to retest that level. That was a pretty strong candlestick though. So while it's doing that, we can't really jump into it right now. So we're about to see what these other pairs are up to. GN's probably shooting up as well. Let's see what EA is up to. All right, so EN just broke this level here. So we're going to see if we can finish the move we went for on yesterday's live. It's about to go for a round two. So we're going to do the same stop loss. No reason to bring it all the way down here. We're going to do the same stop loss. We're going to see if we can complete the move we went for yesterday. So let's go back to GA and see if it retraces for us. Looks like it might try to. Yeah, it looks like it's trying to. So we just need to drop a little bit. I'll be fine if it drops at least 5 to 10 pips. Because again, the reason why we don't want to just jump in here because the risk to reward won't be as great and the stop loss will be a lot bigger than it would be if we just wait for price to come down here. And then 9 times out of 10, price ends up retracing anyways. So we're just going to wait to see if it can do so. So we're looking at GA right now, and then we're looking at Euro New Zealand. We're going to see if we can finish the move we went for yesterday. So we're watching EN. So it's doing a retest. So this is what I wanted to see GA do. How it's about to try to do a retest right now. And then based off how price reacts here, if it continues to treat this level of support and tries to push to the upside, we're going to go for a buy. So you see it's doing a retest. So now we're about to go to GA and see if GA is doing the same thing for us. Still slightly green. So yeah, we're just going to let it do its thing for right now. We do got news going on later on today during New York. We got CPI 8:30 EST. We had GBP news earlier at 4 a.m. Wait, no. My bad. We got at 4 a.m. GBP news, and then at 8:30 we got USD news, and then at 10 a.m. we got Canadian news, and then at 11 we got a Canadian news event as well. And then looking at tomorrow at 2 a.m. we got GBP news again, and at 8:30 we got another USD news event, and that's pretty much it. We also got New Zealand holiday tomorrow, and then Friday we got a France holiday, so a Euro pair holiday. So keep that in mind where y'all are trading. We're just gonna be watching these two pairs right here. Patience post confirmation. Facts. And like I say, never get upset or anything if you miss a trade position opportunity, because you're gonna miss stuff all the time. Like while you're asleep, you're missing setups. While you're in trades, you're missing setups. When you're done for the day, you're missing setups. So don't worry about that. Just focus on getting the best entries you could possibly get. Because again, think about it. What if you enter right here and then retraces all the way back down here? Then you're gonna be like, dang, I should have just waited. Shoulda, coulda, woulda, right? Whereas if it shoots up and runs away, it's like, okay, that's all good. We're just gonna look for another setup or wait for price to retrace. We've seen that happen many times on lives in the past. We've seen that happen all the time, bro. So we're just gonna be chilling and waiting right now. So we're letting Ian do the retest. We're waiting for GA to do a retest. We're gonna see what these other pairs are up to. So GJ retested this level. Can possibly see a sell on GJ. Well, I enter this maybe not because I am in the EJ sell, but we can see a possible sell on GJ right here. doing a nice retest, depending on if it can continue to retreat as low as resistance, that is. But also looking on the daily, we are due for a retracement, so I wouldn't be too surprised if price retraces for us today. That'd be nice, because if the price retraces, that'll give us a nice smoother drop to the downside tomorrow and Friday to end the week off. So definitely, if you go for sales, like always, secure profits, and also keep that in mind. Don't be too shocked if we see any retracements, especially because we just hit a strong support resistance level here. So we already see a wick reacting to that level, and now we're on top of another strong support resistance level. So just keep that in mind, because again, price is never just going to continue to shoot straight up, and it's never just going to continuously shoot straight down. Retracements are a thing, and they are part of how price moves. That's a nice rejection wick on the daily as well. Yeah, so we're just going to wait and see how it reacts here. But I am liking this for a buy right here. And since this did what I was looking for GA to do, we're not going to miss this entry if we do jump in on this. Euro 80 and GA been since Asia. The sniper entry, deep blue right now. Yeah, you be on it, bro. You be on it. I saw, like I said, I'm in it. I'm in GA currently. I was looking to enter to post that second position though when I broke the other level, but it didn't do the retracement. So that's the only thing unfortunate about that. But yeah, if y'all don't trade, because I be seeing so many videos, y'all, about people talking about they don't like to trade Tokyo session or how there's no volume during Tokyo session. That's literally, and not even all the time the case, but that's literally like USD pairs. There's so many currency pairs that literally have the peak hours, the peak volume during those times. And me and the members almost, I'm not going to say every day, because obviously there's going to be some days where there's just not any setups, or there's some days I just don't trade, right? But literally most of the time we find setups. Like all this week we found setups during Tokyo session. Last week, 3 times, 4 times out the week we find setups during Tokyo session. Then we find setups during London and New York. As long as the markets are open, there's going to be opportunities. You just got to know what you're looking at and what you're looking for and what pairs to look at certain times. Those just joined the stream, we have not entered this yet. This is just a trade idea. Go ahead and hit that first link in the description. Join a free signal room, free Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last week and last month. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out. Speaking of check it out, y'all need to watch this video right here. I'm about to post it in the chat right now. It's a realistic account flip video, because again, if you hit that first link in the description, you're going to see members. Oops. Let me delete that, because I don't need nobody jumping in this trade. So let me get rid of that really quick. All right, bam. All right, I have multiple videos and strategies on how to flip accounts, right? So if I actually, instead of scrolling, let's do this. We're going to go to photos, and let me see if I can find it. No, that's not the one. Give me 1 second, y'all. I'm trying to see if I can find. No, that's not it. Well, these are student results, but that's not what I was looking for. Here it is. So here's one member. This is Shawn. Shout out to my boy Shawn. He flipped 100 to 517 in 1 week. I had another member, Marcus. He literally turned $200 to $1,000 in 2 weeks. I had another member, Monique, I believe. I'm trying to see. I don't know if I posted it in here, but she literally flipped her account in 1 day. She literally doubled it in 1 day. I'm trying to see if I can find that screenshot. I have a lot of posts in here. I'm trying to see if I can find it. I can't really find that. We post a lot of screenshots in here, as you can see. But there's also a lot of testimonials on my Instagram and TikTok as well. So make sure to check those out. But nonetheless, all right, flipping accounts is very possible without over leveraging, without risking 50% of your account in one trade. But instead of flipping accounts, what I want y'all to really focus on is just doubling the accounts and growing the accounts. And again, it all comes down to basic math. But let me go ahead and post this video. Give me 1 second. I just gotta. This shit bugging out. All right, give me 1 second. But in this video, I'm literally showing you how I doubled my account in literally 3 days of trading. And this is not me over leveraging. It's just simply good risk to reward, good entries, good setups, and just following the flow and direction of price. Highway, do you play GU? I haven't really since like quarter 1, but if you want me to look at it, we can in a second. So yeah, we're gonna let this do its thing, and depending on what the next 15 looks like, we're gonna jump in on that. So we can look at GU really quick. All right, so GA is doing the retracement as well. I wanted to go a little bit lower. I ain't gonna lie. I want to see it drop a little bit lower, but it's doing the retracement that I was looking for. Now, as far as GU, I don't have updated levels, but I can give you just a rough just look, and we can go from there. So obviously we're bullish, right? We're obviously bullish. I had to add some levels though. So we have a strong level right here. So I'm just going to mark this off. So this is just me roughly marking it off, not me doing what I usually do. But we can literally see price right here. So we can expect either a retracement. I would like to look for a retracement because, again, we do have USD news today. So don't be too shocked if price wants to retrace. And there's a level here I'm missing. Like I said, this is just a brief, quick markup. But price is bullish. So I am going to be only looking for buys. We just hit a strong resistance level. So we could expect a retracement and then into a higher high, but I am going to look for buys. So if price can't break and hold this level at around 29.60, you can look for buys there, but price can retrace also down, and we can look for possible buys at around 28.85, 28.80, or if price drops all the way down to 28.25, 28.30, you can still look for buys there. I wouldn't really look for sells unless price breaks below this level, retests, treats as resistance, and then drops down, because as of now, price is bullish. So I would be looking for buys. So I'd wait for right now for price to either retrace or break and hold the level it's currently at. But that's just me doing a quick analysis on GU. Like I said, it's nothing against it. I just honestly haven't traded it in a little while. Because again, you don't have to. If those that have been here for a while, like back in the day, especially last year, we used to have a bunch of charts up. And we used to trade a bunch of pairs. But now I just kind of just trade the pairs I kind of like. You know what I'm saying? So we got about a minute and some change to the next 15. I am liking how this is looking right here, though. I am liking how this is looking. Yeah, each session is based on activity. Agent session is one of the. Yeah, exactly. Trade during that session, agent pairs will move around. Exactly. Exactly. As long as the market's open, there's money to be made. There's a lot of misconception. A lot of them are put out there for a reason, but there's also a lot of people that just genuinely don't know what they're doing on these charts, and they just have big accounts from one way or another. They just have big capital to make money. But again, just think about it. Like if you have a 50K, 100K account, it'd be almost impossible not to make some money off that account. You know what I'm saying? You'd have to like just be dead wrong and over leverage and blow your account. But like if it comes to your directions, you're literally gonna make a good amount of money. You know what I'm saying? And a lot of people will be trying to just rush to get to the money, and people don't really take the time to just truly understand market behaviors, market structure, and the flow of price. But I'm telling you, once you read and understand how to read the charts, it's literally just rinse and repeat, because the charts do literally the same things every single day. You look for the same setups every single day. It's the same thing every single day. If y'all didn't read that disclaimer, make sure to read that. It's the same disclaimer I post every single day. it's going to look like a big paragraph on y'all's phone screens, but it's literally just 11 sentences. So I am liking this. We might enter this in a second, but just out of curiosity, I just want to look and see what GA is doing. Yeah, yeah, it's a little unfortunate, but it is what it is. We're just going to leave that alone, charge it to the game, and we're just going to pay attention to EN. So I'm kind of liking this. I want to see if we can finish the move we went for yesterday. We hit a few TPs, and then you see it retested, then rejected. Now you see it's pushing back up. Nice engulfing candle, nice retest on the last candlestick. Showing it's trying to push up. Going to see if we can break these highs to the left. But this is the only kind of pair. This is the only pair I like right now to enter. In another pair right now, meeting the members. But we're just chilling for right now. Well, me and the members are on 2 other trades. Make sure to follow me y'all on Instagram and TikTok. Y'all see it on the bottom of y'all screen at Playmaker_way. TikTok is Playmaker_way. What's up with NAS100 and US30? We can pull it up in just a second. We can pull that up in just a second. Yeah, I'm kind of liking this right here. Let's go on the daily. Nice wick. Pushing to the upside. Yeah, I like this right here. So we're going to see if he's going to finish the move we went for yesterday. Yes, I'm going to go for this. I like this. And it's probably the only other trade I'm going to enter on the stream and during London session. Until New York, like I said, members, we're going to be going live. Just posted the TPs and stuff in the channel. Make sure to check that out. But I am in this trade right here. I am in this trade. All right, y'all. TPs are in the channel. While this is doing this thing, we can look at NAS. I got you, Pharaoh. So looking at NAS, first we're going to pull it up, and then we're going to go on the daily time frame. All right, so we're going to go on the daily time frame. So looking at NAS, we're going to zoom out. First, before we even go on this chart with the levels, we're just going to go on the naked chart. So let's go on the naked chart. Boom. Awesome. So looking at price, we are bullish. We had a few attempts to break to the downside. They just ended up being retracements. So we're still bullish. We're not going to go for a buy right now because the deal entries for buys were all the way down here. So we're going to wait for the next entry, which will be at the resistance level, which we're going to see right now. So I would wait for price to break above 15,190, 15,200 and look for buys there. Or if price retraces back down to 15,070, 15,060, I'd wait to see how price reacts at that level there. But price is showing bullish momentum, and we are bullish, and lows haven't been made, so I am leaning towards buys. But the ideal entry would have been yesterday, so that's what we're looking at for NAS. And then same thing with SPX. SPX is bullish, same thing. Going to wait to see if we can break that resistance level at the top. And then US30, same thing. All right. So that's what we're looking at right there. And gold is doing exactly what we've been talking about. Possible reversal. We're going to see for sure today and tomorrow, depending on how the news event goes. But yeah, y'all should be nice and blue right now. We're a few pips away from the TP if we didn't hit it already. Nah, we're a few pips away from TP1. Y'all should be nice and blue on y'all screens though. Okay, bro. Yeah, we're about to hit TP1, y'all. Make sure to hit that like button. All right, there we go, y'all. It's that simple. Yeah, we could have entered the candlestick before, but again, you got your rules in place for a reason. So just stick to your rules and rinse and repeat. Yeah, if we would have not followed those rules, we would have been in GA, nice and blue on that. But I'm not tripping because why? Because me and the members caught a nice move on EJ and gold last night, and then we're up for the week anyway. So it's not like we're hungry or fiending for pips. So we're just chilling right now. Got wicked out of EJ. Yeah, so we're just gonna keep it on this pair right here. Yeah, so we're gonna let this do its thing. Give me 1 second, y'all. All right, y'all, I'm back. I'm back. I just had to grab some water really quick. Those just joined the stream. We just entered this trade. Go ahead and hit that first link in the description. Join the free signal room from Telegram. You'll be able to see that for yourselves. We're 7-0 so far this week. Matter of fact, let's go ahead and bring that up. So we're just going to move this over to the right so we can pay attention to this trade while we go on the Telegram. So you hit that first link. First, you're going to see the signal we just entered. Then you scroll up, you're going to see some student results from yesterday and this week. So yesterday we went 3-0. We caught 316 pips. 281 of those pips were strictly with the members in the advanced play signal room. We took a GN buy, me and the members caught 190 pips. Me and the members took a GJ sell, caught 91 pips. And then we took an EN buy on yesterday's live, caught 35 pips. You click right here, you're going to see that signal. Then you're going to see the screenshots of the GJ and the GN positions. And then as far as how Monday went, Monday we took a GA buy, EJ sell, and then a NAS sell. Caught 10,400 pips on NAS, caught 62 pips on EJ, and 30 pips on GA. Ending the day 3-0, catching a total of 10,492 pips. You click right here, it's going to take you to the beginning of the day, just like before. Each trade, you're going to see my personal entry, SL, TPs, how many people viewed or entered the trade, time the trade was posted, the reactions, TPs getting hit, screenshots of the positions and student results, all that good stuff. And this is how we did last week when 6-1. So we're going to let this pair do its thing. We're going to see what this next 5 minute looks like. I do have a one-on-one session in a little bit, so this stream is going to be a little bit shorter than usual. But we're still going to be on for right now. So let's go ahead and see what NAS is up to, see if it's reaching or approaching that resistance level, which it looks like it is. It's still got a little bit to do, though. So we're going to let it do its thing. The reason why we're waiting is, as we can clearly see here, how price is reacting to this level, which is exactly why we're going to wait to see how price reacts to the level here. This is that nice sell we caught on Monday. Then after that, price reattempted to do it on Tuesday, rejected the level and shot back up. As you can see, it is retracing back to the upside. See what these pairs up to. Yeah, that would have been a nice move to get into. Yeah, GJ looks like it's trying to drop too. Yeah, so minimums are in EJ right now, but GJ is looking like a nice position as well. We was catching the buys all the way until last week, where it failed multiple times at the end of last month to make a new high, rejected that resistance level. I'm expecting a retracement today and tomorrow, so we can continue to jump into sales Thursday and Friday. So don't be too shocked or surprised if that does end up happening. How do Americans feel about all the decaying old infrastructure, homelessness, drugs, and slums turning the U.S. into a third world country? Yet China is building first world modern infrastructures. So you got to get off the internet and just go into real life. So I've actually lived outside of America. There's homeless in every country. There's hoods in every country. There's drugs in every country. So that's not really just an American thing. And as far as decaying infrastructure, I mean, that's happening in a lot of other places as well. And then China, I wouldn't really compare China, what China got going on, because they literally got slaves. But at the same time, I don't really care too much. I'm just worried about me. And it's good to understand what's going around with your surroundings, but if you get too stuck in it, you're going to be just stuck in place. You just got to keep going and focus on you, to be honest. Crazy question. Can you put a high lot size and exit out a TP1 or TP2? That is a crazy question. Orion, stop it. You keep asking me silly questions like that. Stop it. You're in the advanced play signal room. You know the steps to take to trading. Quit trying to take shortcuts. That's what you're doing right there. You're asking a shortcut question. Stop it. You see the results. I literally posted a screen. You saw in the group chat results from this week. That's not people doing what you just asked. That's people doing what we've been drilling, what I've been drilling into y'all's heads every day, especially in the live streams. And now I'm gonna drill into y'all's head during the live again today. But no, stop it. Because what are you gonna do if it doesn't go your way and stop loss gets hit? Also, wait, I just doubled a small account in 2 days, 50. It's now 101. We too good for the game. Exactly, bro. I'm telling you, that's what I'm saying. You just take the time to learn the actual way price moves and the actual cheat code. It's literally rinse and repeat, man. That's why I be laughing at these haters, bro. 'Cause I'm like, y'all really don't know what y'all talking about. And y'all are really sleeping right now. Like literally, like it all comes down to simple math once you understand how to read the charts. You can literally have a worse win rate than we have had since the playbook's been in existence and still be profitable. You can have a 70% win rate, a 50% win rate, and still be profitable every week and every month, depending on your setups. It all just comes down to simple math. Um, exactly. Like you gotta stop what you're doing, and you know what you're doing. That's why you ask crazy questions. That's why you started it with crazy questions, because you know that you shouldn't even be thinking like that. All right. Watch the video I just dropped earlier. I'm about to drop another video. You guys want to grow your accounts. You don't have to over leverage to grow your accounts. I just dropped a video last week on Instagram and TikTok. Literally, just listen to this and just rewind it until it's stuck in your head. If you literally just if you risk 5% per trade, and you just take one trade a day, and you find a 1 to 2 risk reward setup, you can make 10% of your account per day. 10 times 5 is 50%. So you make 10% of your account per day. You can literally make 50% of your account in the first week in just 5 days. And in 2 weeks, half a month, you can double your account. It's very possible. There's literally screenshots all in the Telegram showing that. I've literally shown the members myself doing it. I've literally tripled the account. Matter of fact, we go into the Telegram. I literally have tripled the account in 3 days. And again, you want to talk about lot sizes, Orion. Look at these lot. And Sparky, you're talking about 0.03. I'm glad you brought that up, because y'all click here. We're going to do this. We're going to go to message. So y'all go to May 16th. You're going to see this. Look at the lot sizes. Look at the account balance. Look at the lot sizes. This isn't no 0.10s. This isn't no standard lot sizes. The reason why I'm able to make so much is because look at my entry and look where price is at. Good risk to reward, following the flow of price, and patience. Same positions. I just kept on scaling in. That's why I always say go with the trend. Again, no huge lot sizes. No trying to just jump in for TP1. All right? Just the money will come. Stop worrying about making money and focus on the craft, and the money will come. I've made the most money and continue to make the most money trading when I'm not worried about trying to make money. I'm just worried about all my rules being met. Does this look like a clean setup? I like it. I'm entering. That's all I do. I like it. I'm entering. Calculate my lot size. I like it. I'm entering. Boom. Then the money comes. I don't think about making money. I don't wake up, go on the charts. I got to make money. I'm trying to make money. None of that. But let me find that video so I can link it. All right, this video is literally titled "The Best Way to Grow Your Account," and it literally goes over what I just talked about: how to double your account in 2 weeks. What? No, you said that backwards, Fahad. It's not buy. The first part, you said that. No. You want to buy low and sell high. You don't want to buy high and sell low. If you buy high, you're buying at the peak. You want to buy low and sell high. You sell high, price drops down, you make money. You buy low, price shoots up, you make money. If you buy high, you might make some money, but you might face a retracement. All right. So I think you meant to say what I just said, and you mixed it up. But I just want to clarify that for anyone that saw that message. Oh, okay. Because I saw the handshake. That's why I was reading. That's why I got quiet because you confused me. I was like, "What the fuck?" But okay. He was joking. All right, y'all. All right, y'all. So we're gonna let this do its thing. It's kind of stuck in this level of traffic. We want to see if we can break the highs to the left and finish the full move that we was looking for yesterday. It's the exact same trade that we took yesterday. So those that just missed the live, go ahead and rewind. But we're in this EN buy. We're 7-0 for the week so far. Me and the members, we took a nice gold sell. EJ sell and a gold buy last night. We went, what do we go? 3-0 yesterday. We went 3-0 Monday. 6-1 last week, 55-4 last month. If y'all guys want to contact me directly, you can hit me up on Instagram, DM me on there at playmaker_way. I respond to all messages. And we're going to be back at it tomorrow, same time. Members, like I said, I'm going to send that link out. We're going to be going live for the CPI for the USD news. And we're out. Let me see if I can end the